Hey crafters, welcome back to Craft Basics, where art is a passion and craft is definitely your everyday life. I am doing a quick review on some products I purchased on Shein. I would have shared a video before talking about, showing you some affordable products that you can purchase on Shein in the nail art section that will help you if you're a starter, if you're just working with resin and you want to look at creative accessories that you can put in your projects. You can definitely check out nail art. So I went ahead and I purchased some stuff just to show you what the quantities would look like for some of these items, and just how they will work for your art. So I have a video that I will be doing showing you, just testing these products, but I also wanted to show you before, what they look like in terms of quantity. This one is a set that has like nice designs in it, and that's a butterfly. This one is like a flower. So you can add these to your art, your resin art, to make them really beautiful and appealing to customers if you're going to be selling. This one has a little shimmer design on the shells, and of course this has butterflies and hearts, different designs as well. This is a glitter set. So if you're shopping for nail art, you're not going to get like bigger bottles, so for example this size glitter, you're going to get them small like this one. So just to give you an idea what the sizes look like, and this glitter set is really pretty. I can't wait to use these. And we also have a set here with some flowers. It has quite a bit going on, not just flowers, but there are other stuff in there. You can see from the view, so I'm not gonna pull this one. And we also have some nail art stickers, which you could just use your tweezer to remove easily. So it's easy to peel off with, just a tweezer. And yeah, so this is just a quick review. I'll do a video showing you how I incorporate these in my art, and I hope this was helpful. And you can pop on over to Shein or on Amazon to find nail art to allow your projects to look different, unique. Of course, every resin piece is unique, but you want your own signature look. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. I'll see you in the next one.